How to delete WriteSonic account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and in the search bar search for writesonic.com. It will land you on the official page of WriteSonic. In this page, what you want to do is simply enter your access detail and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and then simply click on Contact Support. This interface will appear. In the subject, what you want to write is delete my account, and then right here it says how can we help you. Simply write please delete my account. Once you have written, tap on send message. The message will be successfully sent to the WriteSonic support, and within 24 hours your account will be deleted successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can delete your WriteSonic account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.